For though the nations rage against you, O Jerusalem, know this, that the Lord your God is with you. For does not the prophet Isaiah say, no weapon formed against you shall prosper? So I say unto you, fear not, O Jerusalem. Fear not, Tel Aviv. Fear not, Haifa and Tiberias. Fear not, sons of David. For the Lord your God is with you. Against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Thus saith the Lord. No weapon formed against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Thus saith the Lord. Rise up, all you sons of Jacob. Rise up, all you cities of Judah. Rise up, for the Lord your God is fighting for you. Stand up for the God of Israel. Stand up for the Son of David. Stand up for the King of Kings. Standing with you. Thus saith the Lord. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Thus saith the Lord. Rise up, all you sons of Jacob. Rise up, all you cities of Judah. Rise up, for the Lord your God is fighting for you. Stand up for the God of Israel. Stand up for the Son of David. Stand up for the King of Kings. We're standing with you. Yeah. Fear not, sons of Israel. Fear not, people of God, for it is not by might nor by power, but by my Spirit, says the Lord. Rise up, all you sons of Jacob. Rise up, all you cities of Judah. Rise up, for the Lord your God is fighting for you. Stand up for the God of Israel. Stand up for the Son of David. Stand up for the King of Kings is standing with you. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. You shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Thus saith the Lord. No weapon formed against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Thus saith the Lord. For do you not know, have you not heard, that he who is in you is greater than he who is in the world? For the battle, he is the Lord. Fear not, sons of David. for the battle is the Lord. For it is not by might nor by power, but by my Spirit, says the Lord.